What did you get? Whoa, what is it, Bendel? What did you get? Oh, that's a special credit card so you can buy something. Cool. What's in your sticker book?
Stickers.
Yeah, what kind of stickers?
Look, I know. It's like shortcake.
Yeah. What about these stickers?
Oh, hi. Whoa.
Want to show Daddy what you got?
Oh, bundle, that's going to be so fun. Who is it? Who's in your book?
No.
Is it Elmo? No.
Hey, Sweets, can you say thank you, Aunt Holly?
Thank you, Aunt Holly.